trying to say this, it's hard for listeners without knowing me for this to sound modest, but I think it was just something I was able to do well in terms of way where it wasn't so much. I've had so many calls where
You
it's
don't
like,
have to worry about modesty since people don't even know who you are. So just be honest. Why do you think you're able to kind of, because I think those informational interviews, there's something there that was, besides just putting in the work and getting those meetings in the first place. I think there's a lot of people that can do that and can kind of use some of the templates and get phone calls. But once you're on the phone, some people are great on the phone. Some people are really nervous and awkward on the phone. How do you suggest that young students kind of feel more comfortable? Just reps, just practice? Or is there a certain way to go about and hold yourself?
It's a great question, and definitely reps, but it also is just, and this is hard, but you have to think of it a conversation. Yes, if I called someone at a great bank and they're like, Brian, I want to give you an interview right now. Can you come in tomorrow? Great. That's the absolute best the conversation could go. But too many kids, I feel like, because I answer every email still, I get kids from like FSU who are like, you're also went to state school, will you chat? And I'm like, sure. Some of my banking friends thought it was crazy. Like, you've got to say no to some of these kids, but everyone said yes to me. So, or not everyone, but like, enough people did. So I would just say I've had enough of those calls where it feels like whoever's calling me has the regimented 5 questions they want to ask, and that they read online, and they don't really change them. They don't really adapt to the conversation or the tone or the conversation we're having. And then at the end, they're like, and please let me know if there's anyone else I could speak with.
Right.
Okay. I'm probably not at that point.
It feels like a formula. Exactly.
And no one wants that. I just would say, and the biggest thing we talk with, while we were at the desk, we would talk about this. You could just, someone next to me, working next to me, could tell how well the conversation went based off how I responded.